Have you ever wondered why some videos get thousands of views while others get almost none? Often it's not the video itself, it's the thumbnail. Today I'm going to show you a secret. You can create viral professional looking thumbnails for free using a tool that is already sitting inside your YouTube account. It's called Ask Studio, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, open your computer and go to YouTube. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, click on YouTube Studio. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the menu at the top right corner. You will see a button for Ask Studio. This is YouTube's built-in assistant. Just click on it. Now this tool is like an assistant. You just have to tell it what you want. You can use it for video ideas, titles, scripts, and yes, even for thumbnails. Now comes the important part, the prompt. Here you need to type a clear and detailed prompt so the AI understands exactly what kind of thumbnails you want. In the chat box, don't just type make a thumbnail. Instead, try a detailed instruction like this and hit enter and wait for a few seconds. The AI will generate a few different versions for you. Now from here, simply choose the one you like the most and download it. Super easy, right? Now let's say you want to customize this thumbnail. For example, you want to add your own picture or replace the face. Here is what you do. Take a photo of yourself with a similar expression. Go to an AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. Upload the thumbnail you just made and your own photo. Simply type, replace the person in this thumbnail with my photo, but keep the background and the text exactly the same. It will generate a new thumbnail with your face, same design, same style, ready to use. That's how you can create viral, high CTR YouTube thumbnails for free without any design skills. So go try this right now and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such useful videos.